Restaurants are only as good as the ingredients that we're able to work with. We're here today to kind of celebrate the future of what food can be.
This is a food forever experience. The idea is to make people more aware of what they eat in their daily lives.
Throughout the evening, you're going to have an opportunity to taste indigenous dishes featuring locally sourced specialties like ancient corn varieties, as well as rediscovered foods from around the world.
I had purslane and the sunflower heads as well. Kind of interesting. It was just like an artichoke in the fact that when you peel them back and everything, it looked just like that. Seeing these other chefs and all the different ingredients that they're using is just really crazy exciting.
So we got roasted Iroquois corn flour and the daylily.
We got kickapoo beans, so we did a kickapoo bean dumpling.
Our ingredient was agretti. Agretti is a Mediterranean green. To me, it kind of eats like a sea bean, but without the salinity.
When people taste different dishes made from crops that they probably haven't even heard about, it makes people think. We had an amazing event this afternoon.
We've been able to acquire those seeds and adapt them here.
The whole food system needs to change, and that was the topic of this afternoon's discussion.
More and more people see it. It can create that buzz again about cool food.
The ultimate goal is to safeguard the diversity of crops around the world.
It is important to think about the future of plant-forward meals. For all the chefs and partners, thank you so much for what you have done. The work that is being done here this evening is incredibly important.